What's going on? We are live for Power Hour. Mark just made a big move. A little dumpy dump right below at the bottom of the 15-minute opening range. Almost came down to that pivot point. Almost, but not quite. In between a bearish and a bullish fair value gap now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Nasdaq straight back up there after that drop. That's what it looks like on the 1 minute. We weren't at our computer. We weren't trading, so we kind of missed it. I was watching a movie. But yeah, once we had this breakout here, that 165 area, it's kind of like right around here. And then it did a little bit of a pullback. Could have got short here. Rode that all the way down. Lower low, lower high, higher low. Now we're putting a higher high in. So coming back up now, closing above the 21 EMA. Get a nice little bull flag here. Unless it just rips straight back up, we can't really do anything about that like it's kind of doing right now. We need a spot to enter. We're at 2 trades. Took another little trade off camera for a small win. Literally $28. So not the best trade. So we got one more trade available today. We're either going to take no trades this afternoon or one more. See what happens. A little bit of a pullback going on here. Looking good on the 2-minute chart. We do have this bearish fair value gap though, so I don't know. It was a big movement down. Power hour coming up here in 22 minutes. Oh, there it goes. It's trying. I don't really like this one though. I don't like it. So I'm not going to do it. If you don't like it completely, do not enter the trade. The reason I don't like it is because it's right below a bearish fair value gap. So I don't know. See this bearish fair value gap right here? If you get through that, and then it's like, then we have another one. So I don't know. I don't like getting long in here. It's just something feels weird for it to go all the way down and then come all the way back up. Like, Could just go in chop mode now until the rest of the day. You know, that might have been the big wave. So, it is what it is. Can't catch the trade if you're not at the computer. I told myself I wasn't coming back until power hour anyway. We jumped on a couple minutes early after I saw this. But this was kind of really where you wanted to enter for a short. You know, this was the lower high. And then it just pushed, big push down. You know, once this break kind of happened right here, we did a little bit of a pullback and then continued. You know, that was it. Now it's going to push straight up, but this is what it is. I could have been wrong. This might, you know, fly up. But if you don't like it completely, don't take it. Like, you know, right here. Oh, it's trying. We could run into some resistance here at the bottom of the 15-minute. So, you know. So I'm not even going to draw this line, though, because it doesn't serve us to be on there because we wouldn't get in there anyway because of what we're seeing on this chart. So, I don't know. We definitely missed an opportunity there, but hey, we didn't lose money. We didn't make money either, but this was it right here. This was a nice short. Nice little short there. You know, during lunchtime, the market was just kind of chopping inside the 15-minute range. It finally just broke out, blasted through that pivot point. It almost came all the way down to this 20,040 pivot point, but it didn't. It stopped at 20,056, 16 points above, and then just pushed straight back up. Lower high, higher low, and then higher high. You know, it is what it is. This would have been a sweet area to get short, though, right here. You know? The 234 level, 233 or 133. Bulls and Bears duking it out now, trying to go higher. Hey, only one good trade. We should be at 2 good trades by now, but we kind of made a little mistake there. That's all right. We're still in the green. We won all of our trades today, but should have caught both of these probably. And then if we were on the charts here, we would have caught that one. Maybe we'll start coming back to power hour a little bit earlier. Instead of power hour, we'll do power afternoon, because had we been on our computer at 1 o'clock our time, which is right here, we would have sat for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like 14 minutes before seeing this. So tomorrow we'll come back at 1 o'clock for power hour, which is an hour before power hour. I'm going to make a little note to myself for that. So October 1st, session 1 is from 15. So whenever session 2 is going to be 1 p.m. my time, which is 2 p.m. Eastern. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? There we go. There's our 2 wins for the day. After fees, we're up $406. There's the P&L for today, winning 100% of our trades. Market's kind of struggling in this area up here. Now we're at the bottom of that 15 minute. Could just break through and go up, but yeah, I don't know. That was some volume right there, man. I don't know what happened. Powell's speech started around here. He started talking, and then all of a sudden, market just dropped. So he must have said something that made everybody want to sell. He was talking right here, Federal Chair Powell speech, 2 p.m. or 1:55 Eastern time. He's talking about something. I don't know if he's still talking. September 30th. Live. See if we can find it. Is he still talking? Live. I don't know if that's live. It doesn't say live. This one says live. 66 NABE annual meeting. NABE. What does that mean? What's NABE? Nashville, Tennessee. Is he done? Oh, he might be done. Yeah. Yeah, he's done talking. So this was when he was talking. I don't know what he was saying, but people were sell, and then they just buy it all back anyway. You know, buy at the bottom. And we're right back to where we were almost. So it's like we came right back to where we were. Just he was talking, it went like this, and then it went straight back up. Hey, that's funny. I don't know if it just does some weird choppy stuff until the end of the day. It probably wouldn't start getting long until we start creating bull flags up here or something. I don't know if the market can push back up that high. Then we got, yeah, I don't know. I think we might be done for the day, guys. Just based off of looking like where it's at now and where it would have to go for us to make entries. We got a bearish fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap. Jeez, it's a tongue twister up here. And then we got a bullish one here. It's going to be like low volume now probably, and we're below VWAP. I don't know if I want to sit here. for 2 hours and watch it do nothing. I could be wrong, but I think our opportunity to take a short there was here, and we missed it. So tomorrow there will be opportunities again, obviously. This is our little baby trade we took where we made friggin' whatever we made. $28. So there it was. And then here's our trade though from earlier. Looking good. I like when I see all those green lines. Boom, 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 boom. Should have got this one too right here. Should have shorted right here. This was the next wave. See, the market moves in waves. Look. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then really high up. And that whole trend was over. So we watched this one come and go. Then we got in on this one, and we should have got in on this one. And then nothing happened until a little bit ago when Powell started speaking. Market started pushing down, then up, and then down. Big wave. And we should have got in here. Now it's probably just going to chop the rest of the day. So I think we're going to be done for the day. It was a quick video, no trades. We're going to stick to our discipline. We're done. 2 trades for the day and done. Tomorrow's a new day. That's pretty much all I got for y'all. $406 on the day. Let's lock it in on the books. It's kind of below our target, but it is what it is. I learned stuff today. We had a good day. We had a bad trading week last week, so I wanted to start it off on a positive note today and just be really disciplined, stick to our strategy. We'll keep that momentum into tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. Excuse me. Probably should have had 3 trades today, but that's all right. 2 to 3 trades. Tomorrow's October 1st. Going into October. Hope everybody had a good September. And yeah. Well, zoom out here, see kind of what's going on a bigger time frame. Could push all the way back down to this pivot point, maybe down here at the 40. You know, if there's a nice bear flag set up here, I just don't like all these bullish fair value gaps that it's got to now go through. That was a big moment, a big push down. So I don't know if there's going to be enough volume and people in the market to bring it all the way back down to here. I could be wrong, but we're just going to we'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Peace and love. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Later.